Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app and device are updated and that you control the main account. Open Alight Motion and sign in. Once done, go to Device Settings to set a secure passcode and basic screen time limits. Make sure you know which features to restrict: exports, project sharing, in-app purchases, and note why. Limiting those prevents unintended uploads or purchases. Now return to Alight Motion to access its settings and prepare to apply internal app restrictions step by step. Inside Alight Motion, navigate to Settings and then Privacy or Account Options. Aim to disable or tighten export and sharing features. Once there, toggle off direct uploads or set projects to private so files remain local. Next, turn off in-app purchases and require authentication for any billing-related action. Make sure to restrict template and overlay downloads where possible because those can expose content. As you make each change, verify by attempting the action to confirm the app prompts. To finish, lock Alight Motion settings with a strong passcode and pair them with device-level parental controls so you have 2 layers of protection. Then test every restricted action. Try exporting, sharing, and making a purchase to ensure each request is blocked or asks for your approval. If something fails, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall. Make sure account sync is correct and app permissions aren't re-enabled. If restrictions still fail, reset permissions and reapply settings carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.